Y'all, so I just got back from breakfast and I went to Walmart and I got my allergy medicine, which I don't want to tell too many people about this, but since I don't have that many subscribers, I'm gonna just tell y'all the deal on allergy medicine. If you need allergy medicine and you notice that Claritin, Zyrtec, all those ones, they're like ridiculously expensive, this one from Walmart is 88 cents. It's only a 2-week supply, but if you buy 2 boxes, that's literally $2 for a month. And it's the brand Ready in Case is what I think it's called. And it's at the bottom. It's like kind of near the bottom shelf. And there's a tip for y'all. It has the same ingredients as Zyrtec. Basically like the same active ingredient. So they're similar, very, very similar. And it doesn't make you sleepy. It doesn't do any of that. It's like a non-drowsy. It's a great non-drowsy allergy medicine. And I'm an allergy person. I always have allergies. And I'm using this hand cream from Empire Australia, Sweet Almond Shea Butter Softening Hand Cream. It has like a lemongrass smell. My hands were so dry. And I also purchased a roller, a crystal roller at Walmart. It's a rose quartz roller. And this was only $9.99. It was $10 for this roller. And it's very cooling and just... I opened it and I've just been rolling my face with it for the past like 5 minutes. And it feels really nice and cooling. And I got Lactaid, which... Sadly, I'm lactose intolerant. I tried to fight it for a long time, and I tried to like pretend like I wasn't because I like cheese and I like ice cream, but I'm lactose intolerant and I need to just stop fighting it. But when I do not take my lactose intolerance seriously and my ignorant ass goes and buys some fucking ice cream or some cheese, then I'll have Lactaid. So yeah. And this micellar water was on sale for $5, the CeraVe hydrating micellar water, so that was a good deal. That it's originally like 12 or 13, so that was awesome. And I got my little roller, which I've been rolling my face with for a minute now. My lymph nodes are swollen like right here, and I've been using this on those for right now. I think it's due to allergies is why they're so swollen. And sometimes back here they'll get swollen. I could do this all day, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna quit rolling my face now, and I've been recording for 4 minutes, and I've probably been rolling my face half of that. But yeah, that's all I got at Walmart. I'm going to the movies with someone that doesn't know about my YouTube channel, and I haven't hung out with this person since I was a kid, so like I don't want to just bring my camera with me. That'd be kind of weird. That'd be really awkward. So I'm just gonna not vlog that. But I'm gonna be doing a couple things before that, and oh, and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. I took off the sweatshirt for a minute because I was getting hot, but now I'm cold again, so I'm gonna put it back on, and I'll show you guys. But I have a Halloween sweater, and yes, I'm watching Gumball. Why is it not wanting to focus on my face? Focus. Focus, focus. I feel like that did depuff my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the freezer and see if that does it. I just got back from the store and I touched up my makeup a little bit. I just used powder foundation, and I bought some Eco Styler gel because I've heard a lot of good stuff about it, and it was only like $2 for this huge tub, like bigger than my hand. So yeah, and this is the olive oil one. I'm at the store. I didn't go in, but my grandma went in. My makeup or anything today. Now you can actually see how my eyebrows are out here, but I'm trying to let them grow out and then reshape them, which they are growing out a lot. This eyebrow is growing out more than this one. I don't know why, but it is. I'm to get a sweet tea. But yeah, I think I'm supposed to go to the movies later, but I don't know. I'm going Monday with my cousin, and I'm supposed to go see The Hate You Give, and I want to see that one movie, The Nutcracker or whatever. That looks like a really good movie. Okay, so it's basically been all day and I have not vlogged. Basically, my dad was at the house and I was spending time with him, and I didn't really want to just put the camera in his face. I just took him home, so I just got back. I went and got some pizza from Pizza Kukanova. Kukanova? I really don't know how you pronounce it. But yeah.